Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on ADA Cardano. So I wanted to give you a quick update because we have seen, let's say a noticeable bounce from the larger support area that we're tracking here, which is between 32 cents and 44 cents. This bounce, however, I mean, we are far away from confirming that any meaningful upside reaction is unfolding, I have to say. Yes, this is quite an aggressive move up. It looks impulsive, but it could simply be the C wave in a wave 4. Yeah, wave C of 4. Like, that's what I'm tracking on many other charts as well. The difference here on the ADA chart is that the decline formed a lower low. That is not a problem in flat corrections. Okay, so in a wave 4, the B wave regularly overshoots to the downside. It is not really surprising. So I have to consider the white scenario as primary scenario right now because I'm tracking very similar patterns on several crypto charts. But I have also added for you the roadmap for higher prices. And there is a very clear pivot that helps us distinguish between the bullish and the bearish scenario. I want to be very clear, another low is still very, very likely. It will depend on the bull's ability to defend the support area in any pullback. The bulls need to defend this zone, which is between 38.7 cents and 41.99 cents in the next pullback. Very, very crucial. As long as this support area can hold, the bulls can start possibly a third wave rally to the upside. For now, though, I don't see any sign of a pullback anyway. So, this move to the upside still extends a little higher. And whether this is just the wave 4 of a larger decline, and we could get one more low, possibly to target 32 cents, or this is the wave 1 of the next uptrend, really only the next pullback will tell us. And we might be able to identify it based on the nano structure. If we see the move down is choppy, weak, it's a 3-wave move, and then we even see maybe a green candle coming from this support area, well, that might be an initial indication that the bulls are starting to take the lead overall, right? Because if in a pullback, the bulls can defend a support area and a higher low can form, this can often be the jump-off point, or this area can serve as a springboard for the next rally. However, obviously at this point, nothing is confirmed. I can easily view this as an ABC structure to the upside. The next resistance is at 47.9 cents. This is also that swing high that formed here on the 18th of November. But yeah, ultimately it depends on the support area. And I'd say a break below the 42.6 cent area, that last swing low, would be a confirmation that a pullback has started. Then we can monitor this Fibonacci support zone. But I also have to say that this support zone will be adjusted with the price as we go higher. So it's very important, if the move to the upside, which started this week, extends a little higher, this support zone, which I've already put onto the chart, will move. Right? This is only really at the moment giving you a snapshot of what's going on the chart right now in the present based on current data. But as I said, there is no evidence a top is in. But a pullback seems likely soon. Maybe we form another high. Maybe the price gets to 47.9 cents. But yeah, ultimately, it will really depend on that next pullback. If this indeed is a 1-2 setup, the next pullback should be corrective, which means a 3-wave move down. And we should hold above the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then I recommend you check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I also update you here regularly about ADA and Bitcoin, for example, in addition to the video updates. Thanks so much. I put the link in the comment section. Bye-bye.